ladies and gentlemen. Putting on this Trackhawk badge. Put a hockey on her. What else can I say? But let's get to it. I have 2 9s in here. What the fuck? Where's my 10 at? Espera. Sacando el clip. Drop bumper. This is the regulator, power module, and the Bluetooth. This is the mounting bracket. Hold the back of the Trackhawk here. Screw. Yeah, he wants it on the bottom portion here, so let's do it. Don't want to over tighten these, y'all. As y'all can see, hooking up the power wire direct. Alright, and from there, power wire is going to be hidden going down here. This wire right here is going inside for the switch, so the ground connects to here, and then the switch turns it on and off from the inside. That way he doesn't have to worry about the battery getting drained over time, ladies and gentlemen. No, this is not power, so you don't have to worry about just touching. Yeah, well, we're here. Mm-hmm. Yeah.